orders are now ready. Signal counter, that's order 1040 and 1041.
If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog. You know what? I had my mouth for 15 cents. See that elephant and across that picket fence. Jump so high, I touched the sky. Didn't get back till the 4th of July. Walking dog.
Thank you.
Just to walk the dog. If you don't know how to do it, don't show you how to walk the dog. Right there, right there, right there. Be as funky as you can, BB. Oh yeah.
Personally, I think I'm gonna ask Aaron if I can buy two. I don't even know if he has any left.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With a silver bell and copper shell, and pretty maize all in a row. Just a walking dog, just a walking the dog. Well, you don't know how to do it, gonna show you how to walk the dog. Just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking. If you don't know how to do it, gonna show you how to walk the dog.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna take a short intermission. We're gonna slip into our Texas for our special tribute to the very lovely and talented Ethel Merman.
Yeah.
You will be doing all your favorites. A cavalcade of the biggest hits and also a new hit off of Big Avenue. So everybody stick around. We're gonna slip into some punches and see you right back in 20 minutes.
All right.